Yo, from you know the voice, you know the vibes, you know sir, Bobby Sacks, the mud boss. Down, active, nah, malalai. Alright, now we're there, so with
Lily Wiltshire. Hey guys. Lily Wiltshire on Instagram. Right, that's
and you don't know sir, Bobby Sacks 876, and this is 5 questions to ask someone you like. You don't know, so we're gonna kick it off like a ball, don't? Alright, so Lily, would you rather have a submissive man, is me I say, or a man who's dominant, a man who can put in your place and make you know say this is that and that is what it is me I say.
Well, I very much like to get put in my place, so definitely a man that can put me in my place.
So you don't like a yes man, a man who is.
No, definitely don't want to mess with a yes man. Want someone that can put me in my place, put me in position.
Put you in a position.
Alright, that's all.
Alright. Active.
That
I like that.
So how do you feel? Do you like to be the dominant man, or do you like somebody that can like slap you in the side of the head and be like,
No, you're not gonna slap me in the side of me.
oh,
I
okay.
understand.
No, you sure?
You're not gonna do that.
Oh, okay.
Because me is a man. Me is a old fashioned man. But go good. Me I say. You understand? And me set the rules of the game. Me I say, I go play by my rules. You're not gonna play at all.
Facts.
And that's pretty much it.
You seem like you might be my type.
I'm telling you, nah, malalai.
Nah, malalai.
You understand?
Okay. Have you ever been in love? That's my question to you. And if you have, I want specifics. What made you fall in love with that person, and what made you fall out of love with that person? Or if you're still in love with them, I want to know why you're still in love with them.
Alright, so yes, I have been in love before. And the thing that make me fall for a person is, well, first of all, I'm a comedian. Right? So somebody who can make me laugh, like a female who can actually make me laugh and have a good time. Somebody who can just have a natural conversation with me, don't have to force anything. It's like, oh, maybe there's something I talk. So I'm not here to think about what I'm going to say next, or what I'm going to keep this going, or whatever. Somebody who can meet me halfway. Somebody who make me don't have to do too much. Like, it does not take a lot to have a good time. That is very attractive to me. A female with understanding and comprehension that is very sexy. And that is what made me fall for that girl. And what made me fall out. She started the same thing with somebody else. And no, selfish. You're not gonna do that.
You actually saw her do it with someone else?
Funny enough.
Okay. Give me tea.
Funny enough, one Sunday night, she got one party. She asked me.
Sunday night. Go on.
Sunday night, the fuck we started. She asked me if I got a party, you know. I say, you know what, I have work. I have work Monday morning early, so I'm not going to the party. But she texts me throughout the party the entire time. I say, you know what, I'm gonna stay up, I keep her company either way. Then when the party done, you know, so the girl stays and she FaceTime, she say, yo, babes, walk me. Like, stay up on the phone while I walk out so she can feel safe. Because, you know what I mean, as a real man, just having the presence of a real man, whether or not them dear or whatever it is, so she feels safe with me. You see me? And somebody on FaceTime with her and thing, and me I walk with her, basically. And all is well. And this dirty girl walk all the way to a blood-clad Benz. And she get fucked on the back seat of the Benz while me did on the phone. You understand? And me never know why me never hang up as soon as me hear just see first. Still up on the phone. Be a little bit for see if this really a go on. You know, denial is a zero. Stick it up.
Girl evil alive. Girl evil alive. In the bed. While you're on the phone. No, okay, hold on. You was on the phone to her.
But it depends.
She told you come link her a party.
No, she called me for go to the party. I said, I cannot go to the party. We'll party all weekend already. I have work tomorrow. You understand? And this jankro, she make me keep her company.
To go to the party, to get to the car, to get her back as in the Benz.
You know that back as that Benz door. A good thing they have you insured them time there. Hey.
I'm glad you got through that. Because you could have had a cold heart at that point and felt like you could never love again. But it's nice that you got past that. Because most men just stay stiff at that point. So that was good of you. You're a good man. That was cute. That was very cute. Because we're not all like that. Even though most women like Benzes, but we ain't backing over for everybody. A man with a good job means more.
So you say now I can get up in that Benz?
Not if my man told me he got work in the morning.
What about that Bima?
I don't care if it's a Bentley. If my man told me he got work in the morning, I'm going to be laying there right next to him until he got work in the morning.
You have to start keep some type of class with them.
Yeah, definitely have to. Right, that's so.
Deaf?
Yeah. Nah, Malala.
All right. So my next question for you.
Okay,
right?
go on.
So now during sex, is me say if a man busts fast, do you take that as a compliment or as disrespect?
I definitely take it as a compliment. That shit turns me on. A nigga come in 30 seconds.
So
That's a compliment. It made me feel like my pussy is amazing. You came in 30 seconds. You couldn't hold that shit. Especially when a nigga's like,
because they can tell
I'm about to come. And then he be like, trying to stop, trying to change positions, trying to do this, trying to do that. It's a compliment in every sense of the word. I'm not even gonna lie. I hate niggas that just be. I be like, is my pussy trash?
You say,
this nigga going for like,
30. Just like.
I be like, if my pussy's trash, just tell me that. Because I like niggas that come quick. That's a compliment to me.
I said the faster the man was, I better you feel.
Yes, definitely.
Now, what if your pussy so good, the man can only give you 10-second one round?
That's fine. Tomorrow we'll try again.
Bumbleclot.
Tomorrow we'll try again.
Bumbleclot.
10 minutes. 10 seconds is cool.
Then I will lily there all my life. You understand? I be a sunflowers or a shoe black me. I
bet dead roses. Hey. I bet dead roses y'all get. Yeah.
active, lily.
Okay,
active.
I feel like my question's next. Hold on.
Alright.
Okay, so this is just a personal question. It's not really like
no matter.
If I was trying to get to know you, this is something I would want to know. Right. Okay. So what was it like adjusting back into dating after coming out of the army?
All right. So, well, first of all, I'm actually still in the army.
Okay. But like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, all right. So the army kind of make me a little more cold. I'm not gonna lie. Like, honestly, is me I say.
Towards women though?
In general.
Okay.
Is me I say. Because then I mean certain things we go through, because my experience changes people.
Definitely.
Certain things we go through, you have a different perspective on things. So now I don't really have patience for the foolishness. You understand? If me and you talk and whatever, me I say, yo, it is this, it is XYZ and whatever is me and you would up and some other shit, whatever. Me not even yo, is either we confirm or we just is me agree, say, yo, this not gonna work and that is me I say, don't have time or patience for it. Time is precious. You can't waste that in certain situations. I say. So it's either I gotta go my way or I gotta go your way.
Facts.
That is that.
I understand. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you your question of if I've ever been in love, because I didn't answer.
Okay.
So I've definitely been in love. When I was very young. I feel like the first time I was in love, I was probably like 17 years old, and he was a hoe. So he broke my heart, like literally broke my heart. That was the first time I was ever in love, first time I ever been with anybody. And when I say broke my heart, I mean in pieces. Like I couldn't eat, sleep, none of that. All the shit that people sing in R&B songs. Definitely, that was me. And after that, how I felt out of love was realizing I'm that bitch. And none of these niggas, period. And I got through life after that just hurting niggas instead.
Wait, so like I said, after a year of heartbreak, it'll start fuck up people, boy. Me.
Yeah.
A good man and I've done for the world. Just want to appreciate and treat her like the queen that you is.
I guess I haven't been fixed yet. Sad, I lie. Yeah.
That sounds like some type of problem.
Yeah, it's life. I guess it's trauma. They say trauma is real, I lie.
So you have to say the first heartbreak, not the second or the third. First.
Learned my lesson from that moment forward.
And you just turn a wicked ice queen. You understand? Because when I get hurt my first time, I actually give 2 more chances now before I turn a junk right now.
Two more?
2 more.
I didn't have 2 more in me. But I feel like men don't get hurt like women do. I was hurt. I was hurt. I was crying in my bed. Like crying, calling all my friends. I didn't eat. I didn't sleep. I didn't do nothing. I was hurt. I felt like I wasn't that bitch anymore. I felt like I was ugly. I was ruining my whole self. Like I was thinking, do I go out and be a hoe? Or do I sit here and just be sad in my sorrows? And I wouldn't say I went out and went a hoe, because that's not what happened. But I definitely felt like I'm going to give these niggas what this nigga gave me. Any inkling of a red flag?
So all right, when I say hurt to niggas, I say, like what does that entail?
It entails everything a man would do to a woman. You know, let's just say we're dating tomorrow. You call me every day.
Right.
I'm gonna answer when I feel like. I'm gonna come see you when I feel like.
It was cool.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much.
Well, that's that. Because you see, after my first heartbreak, right, I'm deciding I get this love thing another chance. Because I'm not gonna just fuck up people daughter because somebody daughter fuck me up. You understand?
That's true. That's smart. That's strong. That's wise. I just wasn't that wise.
And you're still that way to this day.
Pretty much. It's sad.
All right, Lily. All right,
Oh
Lily.
yeah, I'm not shit, but oh well, it's life.
And that is since from 17, the first heartbreak. And you just turn a wicked piece of it.
I've definitely fell in love again after that. Don't get me wrong, but it hasn't been the same. It's just been a little, you know, you like someone strongly. I wouldn't say it was love. I would say, you know, when you like someone a lot, but then still, if they're not in your life or they disappear, you're still kind of like, I can deal with it. I can deal with it.
Okay.
Takes me pretty much 14 days to get over any nigga, so.
Whoa, what the
None
fuck?
of you niggas feel like you're special. Takes me 14
wait,
days.
hold on. 2 weeks.
Yeah.
How long you have COVID for?
I think it's 2 weeks too.
2 weeks too?
Yeah.
10 days.
10 days, okay, yeah. It takes me 4 extra days to get over a nigga, yeah.
So you tell me that the virus has shut down the world for a year and a half. It take you less. You take the virus. It take me less time to get over the virus. That what you think we get over, man?
Yes.
Father God.
Yes.
I wait the brother that do you. Hey, you see all the boy there. You see all the boy. Hey. Nah, man, Lily, you're cool, man. You're cool, man.
It is what it is.
14 days.
14 days. Any guy.
You understand? Sister, that's the one time man them say, yo, them woman are wicked, no brother. Is me. I say, a real talking, no brother. 14 days, any man. No matter the history, no matter how long is me, no matter what, no matter what him do to you, the boy could have fucking.
I could be with you for 5 years. You could have 12 inches. You could have taken care of me.
The 12 inch
okay, all right. Let's
6. Could have 6 inch.
8.
7.
6 ain't gonna do that.
7.
No, 8.
I negotiate 7.5. 7.3. Like if you push your ruler all the way down and count. Like,
okay, we can do that.
7, all right.
You sounding a little small over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk about man. Just talk with them.
You sounding a little
No, remember,
small.
remember a lot of people watch
No,
this.
we're not worrying about a lot of people. You need to be worrying about what's between your legs.
No,
you're talking about 7.5.
So hold on. Why you need more than 7 now? Did you know that the average, matter of fact, the depth of a vagina is 6 inches, and that is research.
And that's the reason why I don't want you to be my vagina. I want you to be my belly.
Well, if you want me being a belly, you have to eat me.
Okay, that was smart. That was a smart statement. I ain't even gonna lie, but I still want a nigga to be. Nah, malala. I do want a nigga to be hitting my ovaries though. So if you more than 12, hit me up.
If you're more than 12, yeah. I'm at 22. What the fuck we get more than 12 from? Yeah, I forgot it up. I'm gonna give 701.
Hold on, you gonna give me 7.5 now and 12 later? You ain't shit. Nah, man.
All right.
Okay, go on.
All right. How difficult is it for a female to not act on their emotions?
It's very hard. It's very hard. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. As much as I'm acting like I'm cold-hearted, I definitely am someone that's, even in them 14 days that I was talking about, I'm gonna be cussing your ass out in them 14 days. It's only after the 14 days I'm gonna leave you alone. Right. But definitely my emotions is gonna show.
Okay.
I don't know how to not show my emotions after an hour of you pissing me off.
You can't just hold it down.
No.
You understand? Because me find satisfaction in knowing to somebody I try to get a reaction out of me and them not get it. So like when a female block me, like when a female not text me, I'm just nah say none of that. Yeah, post beer things in your story or whatever. Me not reply to them, not even watch it. Hold
on. So if me and you are fucking with each other and I block you, you're not gonna find another way to contact me? You're not gonna go for your homeboy page or a fake page or a internet number and try and text me or call me?
So you want me to get a pigeon and put the letter on
yes,
your
yes.
Lick your blood.
Put your new number in a bottle and put it in the sea. Fuck you talking about?
Hey.
Really? You wouldn't find a way?
Find a way and you block me?
Yes.
Hey, when you want to talk to me, you unblock me and link me.
Wow.
Yeah, what you mean by you go block me if I find new way to talk to you? So you block it on purpose and you consciously you block it.
You're meant to find a way to still contact
jump
me.
The fence, come back around.
Ladies, am I wrong? Like, you're meant to find a way to contact me. I don't care if it's a letter on my front door, you call my best friend.
Landline.
You landline, my granny landline, go to my granny house, my mother's house, fucking come to my workplace.
Be a new page.
Find another new pages, fake numbers, internet numbers, all of that. I want all of that.
Star 67 off a Negus phone.
All of that off a Negus phone. Definitely. Tell him do a post tag you when he's talking about niggas want their bitches back. All of that. Yeah.
And what does that do for you now?
It makes me feel validated. It makes me feel loved. It makes me feel like you actually really love me and it's not fake. And then I'm gonna come back with open arms.
Saying so, hold on, because the first
come
time
to me, daddy. Come to me. I appreciate the fact that you did everything you possibly could to contact me, and I'm here.
But that kind of feel like I try to groom some bitch niggas, like
heart
like
open, mouth open, all that. How that make you feel? Better, Raleigh? Yeah.
We consider. I'm still not gonna do it, but we think about it like.
Oh, so you wouldn't be a bitch for me?
No.
Why?
I mean, Lily, don't get me wrong, you is bad as fuck. I say, and you're active. I say, I love your energy and shit. But I'm not gonna be a bitch for nobody because guess what? At the end of the day, you not gonna respect me if me is a bitch for you.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you a question. You'd expect the same from me? You block me and you'd expect me to just say dead.
Well, so
you could have been angry. Anything could have happened. I could have done something out of order, but that was forgivable.
Okay, but see, the thing is, Lily, is I say, he's not the type of man who will block a female. I say, even if you say you do something and piss me off, I feel like that is some waste man bitch nigga type shit. I say, why am I gonna block you? I say, I just not gonna link you back right now. Give me space and things. I say, I'm not gonna block him, I'm not gonna delete him, I'm not gonna hide anything. You understand? But just not gonna talk for right now. I say, I'm not gonna block you. I expect you to find some other ways call me and then know me feel like, oh, you're my nigga.
Okay, but remember you said you're a man.
Right.
You wouldn't do bitch nigga shit.
Right.
A bitch is a female, I lie?
You understand?
So I'm doing what I'm meant to be doing. I'm a woman.
Yeah, but the thing
so
is,
if I block you, you're still meant to forgive me and look for me because that's something that's in my character. That's not in your character. You're a man. You're a strong black man. I love that.
No,
I love that for you.
No, I feel like it is. I find some excuses. As if it validate some type of
maybe
a sickness. I say no.
It's a sickness?
Yeah, man. I feel like it's a sickness, man. I feel like it's a sickness. Because,
no, it's a sickness.
Yeah, you go block me, just for the sole purpose of me finding other means to contact you.
Yeah, you gonna find another way.
No, sir.
And that shows me you care. Definitely shows me you care.
And you see the man them want to do them things, they brother, and need to cut the fuckery, brother. I say, she block you, she don't want to talk to you. Leave her alone, brother. If she want to talk to you, she will come back. If she don't come back, move on. Our friend, our sister, our auntie, she have some female cousins somewhere, you understand? Or some co-workers. Yeah, co-workers, them normally active.
Don't listen to him. Contact the granny, the auntie, the cousin, the best friend, and get back with your woman. Don't make him tell you leave your gal. Definitely. Because when you're in bed by yourself and your meat is not in good active order and it hasn't been, he's not helping you. So that part right there. So no, don't be telling the man to leave their girl.
Dog, sometimes you have to just back your fist and nose. So I say that I go tonight, brother. I say you can't, but because of the gag 3000 and all crazy shit and go with everything. I say you cannot make that control you, bad bro. Mind over matter.
Make it control you, because we got mind control over Debo. Anyway.
All right, ask me a question. Ask me a question, Lily. Ask me a question.
Okay, this is a random question.
Okay.
But what's your favorite drink? Because the girls want to know what's going to get you going.
Hennessy. You understand? The Hennessy.
What's going to get you going? That's going to get you at the freaky point. We need to know what's going to get you to that freaky.
Why get me to the freaky point?
What's going to have you doing shit you ain't never done before?
Well, I not find the liquor there yet. I don't know where that there. I don't think I can ever find it. I understand. I drink whole heap of liquor from a bar and grow, but I never get past.
I wanted to know what got you freaky. The ladies want to know what got you, what can get you to that point. Right, so maybe if it's just 1 inch over what you'd normally do.
No, alright. So it's me. I say, ladies, first of all, there's nothing what can get me to the freaky point. You understand? Because even at my drunkest state, me still conscious. I know exactly what me I do and me I gotta remember. I know who me is. It's me as I want to stand for. But It depends, but what me I drink now we determine how long my last after it determine my energy. See if I want to get me on the demon time, is it me I say when I just brawl, I just want to mash up everything, is it me I say cocky, tough, beer things like that. You see if I get the energy, I'm stay and chase it with a little bit of Red Bull, no ice in it, because it's winter hot, it's spicy, is it me I say, and it just make my chest burn when I get angry, is it me I say you want to get my active moment, get some energy with a little Red Bull with no ice, and I just get dark and full.
It's got a little sprinkle.
Yeah, okay. If you want to get me in a little romantic mood, I might light one candle and something like so. I say, you make me get the Grey Goose vodka like so with the cranberry, something about it.
But you're still not telling me what it's gonna do. You telling me
but
two
see,
different alcohols.
but listen,
what is
but
it?
listen.
Where is it getting you at?
What may I tell you, man? Let me just tell you, say the energy get me in a place where I'm dark and full. Is it me? I say, what may I lift you up and I run around my room like a wheelbarrow, like so. You understand? I fling you up on the bed like so, boom, and drop off and jump on the bed, see me, so we flick off and go on like so. That's how the energy do to me. You understand? If you want some slow wine in your belly like so, my friend, or may I grip your back of your neck like so, I'm stay some face the right side of your face like so. You know, is it me? I say, I hear you, I breathe like so, I sink in your belly. That way the clear liquor do to me. You understand?
Yeah.
So if you want some hard rough fuck, give me dark
I think
liquor.
yeah, it's the Grey Goose for me.
Oh, you like me, love?
Sounds like it's the Grey Goose for me.
Yeah, so with some 2000 and some 2005 R&B, I play something like so.
Some 2000. No, actually some 90s. I want some R. Kelly. I know people don't like R. Kelly anymore, but I want some R. Kelly. I want some.
My mind's telling me no, but my body. Nah, man, I lie.
That part.
Yeah, so man, finger play piano.
Yeah. Well, Hennessy's my drink.
So Hennessy get up on demon time.
I would say it doesn't have to be Hennessy alone. It would have to be how much of Hennessy I indulge. Because to be honest, I could probably drink a bottle of Hennessy by myself in my house and just use my rose. Okay. But anyway.
So I have a question. Would you rather, is it me I say? Would you rather have, it's me I say, would you rather use the rose for pleasure yourself as opposed to a man? It's me I say, because a lot of females nowadays I use the sex toys and things. I say, I don't get it. Like, what the fuck? Is it because I guess I'm try the fleshlight already or whatever still is me I say, but you know, do the same thing.
Okay, so it depends on the type of nigga. If you don't eat pussy, rose all day long. I'd rather you not fuck me and I just get the rose, we can cuddle after that part. I'll go, because you can have, I've honestly had sex with a guy and gone in the toilet and used my rose after. Like, we've had sex for maybe 25 minutes and then I've still gone in the toilet and had to use my rose to make myself come. Yeah, so to be honest, inconvenience and to save my pussy the time, I'd rather just use the rose. Yeah, I'd rather just use the rose. But if he likes to use his mouth, then I definitely
I could buy you one rose.
Yeah, I already have one.
I'll buy you one more.
Oh, okay.
All right, so next question. Right, why do females get attached so easily? Like, why does it have to be something? If me and fuck good, we are go out every now and again. I think, why does it have to be something? Why we have to put a title upon it? Why we can't just, when them say we're just cool, we're just chilling, we're just vibing?
Okay, I'm gonna speak for myself,
right? Because
I'm one of the man them. I don't get attached.
I like that.
I can fuck a nigga today and not contact you for a week or two. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna talk for me. I'm gonna talk for my past self and for people I know. Women get attached easily because most women don't just fuck easy. A lot of women have that stigma of, I want to fuck with a nigga that I actually really like, somebody I'm sexually attracted to. I'm not just gonna go on road and fuck any nigga. So when they see it, they look at a man and be like, I want to fuck him because that's a man I see myself with. So if they see themselves with you, they see you as being their partner. They don't just see you as being a fuck buddy. They don't just see you as someone I'm fucking for the time being. They don't just see you as a one night stand. They're like, oh, I like all these attributes about this man and that's why I'm fucking him. And that's the reason why I want more from him. Whereas a man can look at a woman and be like, her ass is fat. She look like her pussy's clean. She look like she might be cute without the makeup or whatever. You know what I mean? You might be in a club, you might be drinking too much rum or Hennessy and your eyes are a little glary and be like, oh, gave me a nice little wine, I want to fuck her.
Right.
Most females don't look at sex like that. Good girls, most of them don't look at sex like that. So when they look at that, they're ticking off a list. Okay, I like dark skin man, he's cute. I like a man that has a job. They're gonna ask you questions. What do you do? You know, most women that you fuck that get attached, they ask you questions ahead of time. I like.
Right.
What do you do? They're looking at what you look like. Where do you live? Do you have kids? What do you do with your life? Do you get what I'm saying? Where do you know, all of these questions of things that they want in a man. And most of the time they're single and they want a man.
Okay, so I mean, if you tell me that means sometime when you still say you meet some female for the first time, it means I should do some things to you and things I should say, you know, I never do that for anybody. This is my first time I do it to me. If you tell me, say, them actually I tell the truth.
Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, sometimes and they feel like that's gonna win them over. I'm gonna be honest with you. I know girls that have normally not done certain things to men and have done it because they felt like that was gonna win them into the wifey position. I'm smart enough to know that's not true. But a lot of women are slow enough to think it is.
So is it you purposely do that? Like, I'm gonna say, yeah, fuck with that.
No, I'm not doing that shit. I'm not doing that shit. But as I said, I've been hurt before. As I said, I can only speak for me.
Right.
If I feel like fucking you, I'm gonna fuck you. But I'm not gonna feel like you're gonna be my man tomorrow.
Okay, I live for the moment.
If I like the sex, we gonna continue fucking. If I don't, it is what it is. We might not ever fuck again. You bro.
I like that.
Oh.
I like that.
That's me.
Like that
but most women aren't like that. But you saying you don't like that, but you don't want a bitch to fall in love though. So pick a side. What side do you want? You don't want a female to just fuck you and be like you bro tomorrow if it didn't work out. But you don't want a woman that falls in love after 5 seconds. So what do you want?
Alright, so boom, right? Alright, so boom. I don't like the clingy type. It's me I say part of fall in love is me. I mean, I know some cocky good and my body good and all them some days. I say I don't like the fall in love part of it. It's me I say, but more if I know say yo, you go active anytime I need them. I know I just fuck with me on your time. It's me I say you need to know say.
But how do you expect to get that from a woman that knows you're not gonna fall in love with her? Like basically you're saying, as you said, you don't want a woman that's gonna fall in love. You don't want a woman that's clingy. But you want a woman that's just gonna jump when you say jump. No, bitch ain't jumping when you say jump, and you ain't giving her the option that you're gonna fall in love with her back. Why would you do that? She's just gonna be on tap for the sake of being on tap. Why?
No, but the thing is, we're both of we I get something out of this. Isn't me? I say, I get some good pussy.
Do you know how many niggas fuck good?
You know how much gal pussy good?
There's a lot of niggas in this world, sorry, and there's more options. A nigga stop me every day at the gas station, like 5 of them, and they all cute. Why would I continue fucking you and you ain't offering me nothing? You ain't even trying to make me feel like I could be in a relationship with you. Damn. Like, what?
Well, that's why them say, you know, say it's levels to this. You understand? There's levels to this. You understand? Because you see, you might...
Hold on, you was just vouching for the 7.2 inches, and then you want to say that you...
I mean, 7.2 up there. Bro.
Hold on, with the wicked wine. With the wicked wine. Alright. Alright, that's all.
Anytime I sink it at 7.4.
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
Greedy, you're too greedy. If you have 12, what the fuck you doing that, man? You understand? Man, them a broke your bad.
Definitely.
And you see the females them on need for stop downsize. And that's it. Cause if you fuck, don't ever go below whatever you like. It's means whatever you're used to. So if you like fuck man with 12 inch, you understand, stay with them there. Because you see man like me, you get disappointed. You understand? But 7 is amazing. You understand? If you don't willing for compromise, just stay on the side there. You say you gotta just miss out on all of this goodness. Can you see? Now for them boy who have a big old long whatever it is, I say them boy all them just damage in the mama. You understand? That's why it's made us today just crump up and even know what cars or something.
But no, like, it depends. You know? It depends on how if you know how to operate your own pussy. I know how to quint. I know how to make my shit go straight the fuck back right, nigga line. Don't play with my pussy. I be fucking niggas with big dicks and that shit still be on point. Ask about me.
I got somebody.
Right, that's all.
But see me with them and say, you want to put 12 inch in that nigga life?
Yeah, it hurts. I be stiff. I don't know how to move, but it's amazing.
I'm a 7 inch.
It's definitely amazing.
7.2 in a nigga life, I feel like 12. You understand? You don't need 12. If it's a nigga life, you don't need 12. You understand?
I want my shit to be swollen after.
No, you need 12.
So like I've been abused. It feels amazing.
If a 12 inch,
great.
12 inch going a bucket and them some days, man.
No.
Nigga like you put you get
Are you mad?
No, I'm not mad.
You're crazy.
No, I mean,
you're crazy. But it depends. It also depends on your 7 inches. It depends on how wide it is. Because if it's a wide ass 7 inch, Yeah, you're right.
Mine are 7x7. A 7 so.
You're a fucking liar. You a motherfucking liar. If it is, I can do that all day long. If it is, we can do that. We can fuck with that. But my shit gonna be stretched the fuck out after.
You know, it really trouble about
that shit gonna be stretched the fuck out. Fucking talk about 7x7. I'm talking about 7 and 3 in the width.
You know, some carries a 4x4 by the back. A 7x7 by the
You're a madman. You're a madman. I'm talking about like 3 to 7. I'm talking about like 3 inches to 7.
Yeah, 7x7.
Whatever.
I fucking cube this.
Whatever. Let me see if I got time else to ask you. So do you feel like you have a good outlook on women you like, on questions you'd like, or you feel like
most definitely, but no.
Would these be questions you would ask the lady?
Yes, but no, me actually hope that some of them don't give the exact same response as what you give, because it's me I say you kind of damage away, you know. You see me I say because
trauma.
Yeah, because it's me I say you're cool and it's me I say you look a bit too greedy when you forward onto his size. I just that alone. It's me I say, but I kind of like how you reason. I'm like respect the facts, you fear. Yes, you're cold-hearted and whatever, but you are very fair.
Yes,
and I like that.
It was a nice talk.
Exactly, man.
I'd fuck with you. I'd definitely fuck with you. But yeah, this was 5 questions on how to, what was it?
What things to ask people you like?
Right, that's how you use it, right? 5 questions to ask people that you like or that you're interested in, and I felt like it went amazing.
Exactly, and this was all natural too. I like this. Like it was a flow. You understand? So at this point in time, it's me I say yo, you know, say yo, One Nation and Imara Nation. Is me I say follow the boss on Instagram. Is me I say, you know, so Bobby Sucks 8760. So you can find me anyway. You know, so the Mud Boss is me. So we drop a M them anyway. You see me? And you know, so plug in your IG.
And I'm Lily Wiltshire. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll be doing the funniest TikTok, so definitely follow me on there. Right. And it's LILLYWILTSHIRE. Follow me right there, sir. Straight.
That is it. You understand? Fully. All right.